In this video, we will discuss about what is Immutable X, IMX. Immutable X presents itself as a layer 2 scaling solution for non-fungible token on the Ethereum blockchain. The project aims to improve Ethereum's limitations such as scalability, poor use and developer experience as well as liquidity issues. To do this, Immutable X uses a technology called StarkX ZK Rollup, a technology endorsed by the co-founder of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin. The goal is to create a user experience with zero gas fee for trading NFTs, which avoiding comparing security. The project markets itself as a limitations exchange protocol, boasting scalability of 9,000 transactions per second. Who created Immutable X? Immutable X was founded by James Ferguson, a Forbes 30 under 30 entrepreneur who previously worked as a software developer in the e-commerce company Shopify, and his brother Robert, a pattern shall follow the entrepreneur. The term considered of over 100 members from various blog backgrounds include people from FANG transaction finance, fintech and management consulting areas. In total, IMX raised $15 million in its 2018 seed round and Series A funding round in September 2019. This include who's who crypto and blockchain investors such as Coinbase. How does it works? Immutable X purportedly solves the scalability problems of Ethereum through ZK rollups. Essentially, transactions are proceed and finalist in the following ways. The first one is thousands of traders are batched off chain. Owners of the assets digitally sign the transactions. The batched off chain traders are transferred on chain in a single proof. A smart contract then verifies this signal proof on chains. The technique allows the protocol to compress or batch thousands of traders off chain into one single one transaction while maintaining the immutability of decentralized transaction. The fixed gas cost is paid by Immutable X, which in turn guarantees ultra fast transactions and near zero trading fees. Besides having a chain of NFT projects, Immutable X also has a marketplace that solves the usage experience between problem. The idea is to lower the barrier to entry for content creators and developers who can still participate in the ecosystem regardless of skill level. What is the IMX token? There are three main use cases for the IMX token: fee stacking and governance 20%. The protocol's fees are paid in IMX by design, and users can stake token to receive a proportional share of network fees. Additionally, token holders have voting rights to IMX improvement possible. The total supply of IMX is 2 billion tokens that a current estimate circulating supply of 235 and 284. The breakdown of token distribution. 51.74% for ecosystem development, include user rewards, developer grants, liquidity previous, and marketing purpose. 25% for project development, 14.26% for private sales, including a 1 year cliff, 5% for its public sale with a 6 month unlock period, 4% reserved for the foundation, include ecosystem development related initiatives such as providing liquidity, a 1 year cliff, monthly unlock over 4 years. How to buy IMX? Starting from March 14th, IMX will be listed in the Swiss Borg app. Seizes this opportunity to diversify your portfolio by adding IMX to it. The step 1, download and install the Swiss Borg app. Tap on confirm exchange and that so it. You can now brag about having IMX in your portfolio.